Hi everyone, my name is Adam Cosmos. Today I'll be showing you how to install Elementor on your WordPress website quickly. After watching this video to the end, you'll be able to install Elementor, which is a page builder on your website. Before we start, please like and subscribe my channel so you can get notification when I post a new video. And also please don't forget to uh, leave a comment below if you like my video. Let's get started. In doing so, we need to log in our back end. You can see this is my back end. And then we go straight to plugins. Under the plugin, you click on add new. And as it loads, you come to the search bar here and click on Elementor. Then click enter. Searching for Elementor. Let's give it a few time before it loads. It's actually taking time. So we are back. This is the Elementor page builder we need to install. All we need to do is to click on this install, and you can see the rating and also 5 plus million active installed. Now click on activate. Welcome to Elementor. Get introduced to. Now, Elementor is installed into our website, and we know that an Elementor is a page builder. Let's go and create a page and see if it is going to show us. Now, let's click on Add New. We'd like to create a new page to see if uh, okay. Here we are. Now, all we need to do is to type in the title of the page we want to, which is let's say about us. Then save drafts and publish. All we need to do is to come to edit with Elementor. So here you can see we can start editing our page with Elementor. So that is how you can be able to add an Elementor, which is a page builder, to your website. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much for staying tuned to the end of this video.